Major keys are known to feel more uplifting and happy, like the Happy Birthday song, whereas minor keys are known to be more darker and more emotional, such as Darth Vader's Imperial March. Notice if we were to listen to our chords at C major. Now change our song key from C major to C minor. Notice the difference? If we were to change our song key from C major to C minor, notice the keys changed on the piano to the left, and we now have other keys showing such as sharp and flats. These are the black keys on the piano. In Odesi, the flats are represented as a light blue, and the dark blue are the sharps shown here. When we change the key or scale, Odesi will automatically display only the keys that are available in the key and scale we chose. This is why Odesi makes creating songs so fun. It allows you to jump right in and create without having to worry so much about the theory. The theory will be applied depending on which key and scale you choose, and Odesi will only allow you to play the keys available in the scale to ensure we don't mess up.